teeth. Oh my god. You good too? You got me. Oh man. Oh shit!
Please. Oh.
What are you doing?
Sorry, what was that?
What are you doing? Sit down.
Oh, just hanging out. What are you doing?
Oh, you're wearing a jumpsuit. You look like you just left escaped prison. Is that what happened?
Do people here have that bad of security?
Yeah.
Really? People escape?
I've heard of it. Yeah.
No, we're just
yeah,
we're just shooting a prank actually.
Okay.
My channel's That Was Epic. I don't know.
You have a driver's license?
Yeah, of course I do.
Where's it at, buddy?
What's up, dude? Dude, he knows, like, I do a cholo character.
Oh, I know who you are.
Yeah, I'm Scrappy the Cholo.
Seen you before, yeah. Oh.
Yeah, sorry, man.
Dude.
You guys, multiple calls, I'm assuming? I'm sorry about that, man.
Sit down, bro.
Yeah, man, we got some calls. People are calling in, like, they're like, oh, this looks like someone escaped.
I do know who you are.
Yeah,
guy running with you.
Yes, yeah. I'm sorry to cause any problems if I did, guys.
It's all good, man.
Let me go my key right here. Yeah, no, trust me. Take all the time you guys need.
Yeah, so
maybe I might stand in the shade here in a second, though. Kind of fucking dying a little bit.
Appreciate your cooperation.
Yeah, no problem. Trust me. I know. I do this for a living. Like, I know that. Yeah. I do this for a living, so I know how, like, it can get sometimes.
Just for future reference, and save yourself some troubles.
Like, call in, maybe?
Just call in the police department and say, hey, I'm going to be in this area.
Yeah.
Wearing this.
Absolutely.
That way they know and say, here's my contact information.
Yeah, absolutely. I could do that. There's like a non-emergency number, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
And just if I say you're
Where'd you go to high school?
Oh, Chihuahua.
You are from?
Yeah, I'm from Mexico, actually. Straight up.
I've seen this guy on YouTube or Facebook.
Yeah, YouTube and Facebook is what I'm the most big on. Let's stand in the shade. It's brutal. We've been taking multiple days on this video because we literally can't even be out here for more than like 30 minutes almost.
So hot.
So hot, and then.
Like, what are you guys filming?
Escaped prisoner prank. To be honest, yeah. Like.
Oh my God.
Yeah, I know it's kind of intense, but.
If you're ever like in Tempe or Scottsdale or going to film that, just call that police department.
Okay.
Put a non-emergency line and say, hey, this is so-and-so. I'm going to be doing a film session in this area.
Yeah.
I'll be wearing like a jumpsuit, like orange kind of prisoner jumpsuit. It's just we're doing a film session for whatever the thing is. We'll be out here probably for approximately like the next 2 hours.
Okay.
That way, if
I could absolutely do that. 100%.
That way we know already that
it saves you guys time. Yeah.
Just it saves you and saves us a little bit.
No, yeah, trust me, I completely understand.
What you guys need to do and all that kind of stuff.
Hey, I'm sorry about that.
Even if you do that, you know you're gonna get phone calls, right?
Yeah, I know. Honestly, it's kind of given.
Unfortunately, we'll probably come out if it's like something like this. Just make sure everything's cool.
Yeah, well, I appreciate you guys.
Yeah, man. Hopefully, understand that we obviously don't want to see.
Yeah, no, I understand. Thank you.
Oh, yeah.
All right, guys.
You spent all my money on baby diapers. I told you shouldn't be doing this. You fucking stupid.
Damn, bro, what the fuck are you doing, guy?
Yeah, that's what she gets, what she deserves.
Bro, are you fucking stupid, man? What the fuck is wrong with you, homie?
I'm sorry, bro.
What the fuck is wrong with you, dog?
What's wrong?
Man, what the fuck, bro?
I'm sorry, bro.
That's a fucking female, dog. Are you fucking stupid, dog?
That's my sister, bro.
I don't give a fuck what that is, dog. I'm about to call a cop.
We're on camera. It's taking a camera picture.
God damn, dog. What the fuck,
Hey, at least you stood up, bro. That was awesome.
God damn, bro.
Oh, yeah, she's my girl. She's good. She's good. You fucking gave me STDs. I told you not to fucking do it.
I told you wear a condom.
Wear a condom? Who fucking wears condoms? It's 2019. What's up? For what?
Shit, man.
What's up?
You gonna stab me, right? You a man, right?
Yeah, I'm a man. What's up? What's up?
What's happening?
What's up?
You wanna do all that, huh?
What's up? What's up? What you gonna do about it?
Real easy, so what's good?
What's up? Come on.
What's with you?
Come on. Bup, yep, can't fucking do it. Come on. Come on. You won't catch me.